Hey friends, welcome or welcome back to the Cook's Cottage. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing our family's Summerween night. Typically, we do Christmas in July, and this year we had family in town that decided they wanted to test out Summerween. So, this is our first annual Summerween, and I thought I would go ahead and share it with you guys. So, let's go ahead and get to it. So I started out the week just slowly decorating, adding little bits and pieces of Halloween here and there all throughout the house. So for the food, we kept with a summer theme and we did hot dogs and burgers. And on the cheese slices, we went ahead and cut out pumpkin faces. And then we also had some watermelon and some easy to grab bags of chips. For dessert, we made pumpkin floaties and we also had cookies, but my niece Everly went ahead and helped me prep these. So, adding these silly faces on the side of the cups, adding a scoop or two of vanilla ice cream, and topping it off with orange soda. At this point in the evening, we went ahead, put on a Halloween movie, and had popcorn for all the kids to enjoy. From this point on, we just enjoyed each other's company outside. I didn't get much footage. The kids, we were all kind of just playing games. They were running in and out of the house. Some were watching the movie, some were coloring. Um, so it was just a really fun, special night. These memories are some of my favorite to always come back and look back on. So if this is a video style you guys liked, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know you want to see more of this in the future. And then comment down below if you guys think next year we should do Summerween again or if we should go back to Christmas in July. But that is going to do it for this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.